Nestled in vibrant city of Omiya, Saitama Prefecture, Japan, Owada Green Space Park captivates visitors with its tranquil beauty and serene surroundings. But beyond its lush landscapes and recreational offerings lies a captivating history that traces back to the early 20th century. Join us on a journey through time as we delve into fascinating origins and transformation of Owada Green Space Park. Owada Green Space Park owes its existence to the far-sighted vision of Omiya City Council, which recognized the need for a public recreational space to cater to the growing demands of local community. The park, initially known as Owada General Ground, was established in the early 1900s and primarily served as a sports field for various athletic events. Throughout the years, Owada Green Space Park witnessed several developments that transformed it into picturesque oasis as it is today. In 1930s, the park underwent expansion, adding new facilities and improving its infrastructure. It became a premier destination for sports, competitions, cultural events, and gatherings. During World War II, Owada Green Space Park, like many other public areas in Japan, fell victim to severe damage caused by bombings. Despite the devastation, the park demonstrated remarkable resilience, bouncing back as a testament to the strength and determination of the local community. In the post-war era, Owada Green Space Park underwent extensive renovations, including the creation of an enchanting Japanese-style garden, winding footpaths, bridges, and serene ponds. This transformation aimed to restore the park's natural beauty while providing an inviting space for leisure and recreation. In addition to its natural allure, Owada Green Space Park emerged as a cultural hub, hosting a myriad of artistic, musical, and theatrical performances over the years. The park's open-air stages and amphitheaters become iconic venues for both local and international artists, enriching the cultural fabric of Omiya. Today, Owada Green Space Park offers an array of recreational amenities tailored to the needs and preferences of contemporary visitors. Modern facilities such as a sports field, playgrounds, walking trails, and open spaces enable people of all ages to engage in healthy and leisurely activities amidst nature's splendor. Recognizing the historical significance and ecological value of Owada Green Space Park, dedicated preservation initiatives have been undertaken to protect and enhance its natural features. Omiya City Council works diligently to balance modernization with the preservation of the park's historical essence, ensuring that future generations can continue to enjoy its charms. Owada Green Space Park stands not only as scenic urban oasis but also as a cultural symbol of echoing and rich history of resilience of Omiya. Its transformation from humble sports field to vibrant recreation space reflects the ever-evolving needs of the community. As visitors explore its enchanting gardens, partake in recreational activities, or simply find solace in its serene landscapes, they become part of the park's living history, perpetuating its legacy for generations to come. The Streetscapes of Omiya, Saitama is remarkable for its abundance of greenery, which adds to the city's picturesque and serene atmosphere. Omiya is known for its beautiful parks, gardens, and tree-lined streets, making it a haven for nature enthusiasts and respite from bustling urban landscapes. One of the most notable features of Omiya streetscapes is its lush green spaces, which are carefully integrated into city's design. The Omiya Park, for example, is a popular destination for locals and tourists alike. With its expansive lawns, cherry blossom trees, and serene ponds, the park offers a peaceful retreat from hustle and bustle of city life, providing a tranquil setting for leisurely walks, picnics, and outdoor activities. Furthermore, Omiya's streetscape is characterized by its tree-lined boulevards, which not only provide shade and visual appeal but also help mitigate the effects of urban heat and pollution. The city's commitment to preserving and enhancing its green spaces is evident in its urban planning and development, with efforts to maintain a healthy balance between urban infrastructure and natural elements. Overall, the streetscape of Omiya, Saitama is a testament to the city's dedication to creating a harmonious and sustainable environment for its residents. With its abundant greenery, well-maintained parks, and tree-lined streets, Omiya offers a refreshing and rejuvenating urban experience, setting it apart as a city that values and prioritizes the natural world. Passing by the city parks of Omiya offers a refreshing and restful experience, while also providing a welcome space from the hustle and bustle of urban life. Omiya, a city in Japan, is known for its beautiful parks that offer a serene and tranquil environment for locals and tourists alike. One of the key benefits of passing by these parks is the significant reduction in air pollution. As the parks are filled with lush greenery and trees, they act as a natural filters for air pollutants, providing cleaner and fresher air for those who pass by. This is especially important in urban areas where air pollution levels can be high, and having access to clean air is essential for overall health and well-being. In addition, passing by the city parks of Omiya provides a sense of restfulness and relaxation. The serene surroundings, the sounds of nature, and the peaceful atmosphere create a perfect setting for a leisurely stroll or a moment of quiet reflection. Whether it's taking a break from work or simply enjoying leisurely walk, the city parks offer a welcome respite from the hectic pace of everyday life. Furthermore, passing by these parks allows individuals to reconnect with nature and appreciate the beauty of the natural world. With manicured gardens, ponds, and walking paths, the parks offer a peaceful retreat where one can appreciate the beauty of the outdoors and experience the sense of tranquility. Passing by city parks of Omiya offers numerous benefits, including a reduction in air pollution, a restful and tranquil environment, and the opportunity to reconnect with nature. These parks serve as a valuable resource for the community, providing a space where individuals can escape the urban chaos and enjoy the restorative power of nature. Whether it's for a leisurely walk, a peaceful moment of reflection, or simply to breathe in fresh air, passing by these city parks is an experience not to be missed. One of Japan's notable feats in inclusive infrastructure is the integration of ramps for wheelchairs on bridge footpaths. As Japan's aging population grows, it becomes increasingly crucial to cater the needs of those with limited mobility. In response, the innovative design of bridge footpaths with ramps has emerged, creating a seamless connection between different parts of parks and ensuring that no one is excluded from enjoying their beauty. Japan's commitment to the inclusive infrastructure extends beyond facilitating ease of movements for its citizens. It also recognizes the importance of welcoming tourists with disabilities, aiming to provide an equally fulfilling experience during their visit. By prioritizing accessibility in parks and popular tourist locations, Japan has become an international leader in inclusive tourism, attracting visitors from all corners of the world. Japan's dedication to creating inclusive parks and infrastructure, specifically through the integration of bridge footpaths with ramps for wheelchairs, sets an inspiring example for other nations. By proactively breaking down physical barriers, Japan enables citizens and tourists of all abilities to enjoy its landscapes and cultural offering fully. The continued commitment to accessibility not only improves the quality of life for people with disabilities but also positions Japan at the forefront of inclusive tourism, showcasing the nation's cultural heritage on a global stage. As Japan leads the way in promoting an inclusive society, it inspires others to follow suit, fostering a world where everyone can explore and appreciate the wonders of nature, regardless of physical limitations. Whether you are a professional cyclist seeking new challenges or leisure rider in search of memorable experiences, Omiya's hilly steep road are truly haven. Embrace the physical and mental strength demanded by these challenging ascents and let the stunning vistas be your reward. So grab your bicycle, channel your inner adventurer and embark on a journey that will leave unforgettable memories etched in your heart. A neighborhood with lots of lush greenery and organic looks not only adds beauty to the surroundings but also offers numerous benefits. From improving your air quality to promoting a sense of peace and tranquility, living in a green neighborhood has a positive impact on residents' well-being. The presence of mature trees and maintained lawns and landscaped gardens can create a sense of harmony and natural beauty. This not only makes the neighborhood visually appealing but also provides a calming and peaceful atmosphere for residents to enjoy. Moreover, an organic-looking neighborhood with lots of greens can also contribute to a healthier environment. Vegetations help to reduce air pollutions and provide shade, which in turn can help lower energy costs for residents. The presence of green spaces also encourages outdoor activities and social interactions, fostering a strong sense of community. Additionally, the presence of organic elements such as gardens and sustainable landscaping can inspire residents to embrace an eco-friendlier and more sustainable lifestyle. It can also encourage individuals to take pride in their surroundings and contribute to the overall upkeep and maintenance of neighborhood. This is the end of part 1. We are heading towards the beautiful Owada Green Space Park. We hope that you will join us again on part 2 as we immerse ourselves into the surrounding of our featured place on this episode. See you next time!